Come test drive the 2024 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Come take a test drive today.